Globalization and Cultural Change. Globalization is the process through which different parts of the world become increasingly connected through trade, communication, technology, and the movement of people. It has brought societies closer together, making it easier for ideas, goods, and cultural practices to spread across borders. Cultural change refers to the transformation of beliefs, values, customs, and ways of life over time. When globalization and cultural change are examined together, it becomes clear that the growing interconnectedness of the world has a powerful influence on how cultures evolve, interact, and sometimes even disappear. One of the most visible effects of globalization on culture is the spread of ideas and lifestyles from one part of the world to another. Through television, films, social media, and the internet, people are exposed to different ways of living. For example, a person living in a small town can watch international movies, follow global fashion trends, and listen to music from different countries. This exposure can broaden people's perspectives and increase understanding between cultures. It allows individuals to learn about traditions, languages, and customs that are different from their own. In this way, globalization can promote tolerance and reduce cultural isolation. However, this spread of global culture can also lead to cultural homogenization, which means that different cultures begin to look similar. When powerful countries export their media, products, and values, smaller or less dominant cultures may start adopting these influences. For example, global brands, fast food chains, and popular entertainment can replace traditional foods, clothing, and practices. Over time, unique cultural identities may weaken as people prefer what is seen as modern or globally popular. This raises concerns about the loss of cultural diversity, as traditional customs and languages may gradually disappear. At the same time, globalization does not always erase local cultures. In many cases, it leads to cultural hybridization, where elements of different cultures combine to create new forms. For instance, people may blend traditional clothing with modern styles, or mix local music with international genres to produce something unique. Restaurants may offer dishes that combine flavors from different regions. This process shows that cultures are not simply replaced but can adapt and evolve by incorporating new influences. Cultural hybridization reflects creativity and flexibility, allowing societies to maintain their identity while engaging with the global world. Language is another important area where globalization has a strong impact. English, for example, has become a widely used global language for business, education, and communication. This makes it easier for people from different countries to interact and collaborate. However, the dominance of a global language can also threaten local languages, especially those spoken by smaller communities. When younger generations focus more on learning global languages, they may neglect their native languages, leading to a decline in linguistic diversity. Language is closely tied to culture, so losing a language often means losing traditions, stories, and knowledge associated with it. Globalization also affects cultural values and social norms. As people are exposed to new ideas, they may begin to question traditional beliefs and practices. For example, ideas about gender roles, human rights, and individual freedom can spread through global communication. This can lead to positive changes, such as greater equality and awareness of social issues. At the same time, it can create tension between generations or groups within a society, as some people may want to preserve traditional values while others embrace change. This tension is a natural part of cultural transformation and reflects the dynamic nature of society. Migration is another key aspect of globalization that contributes to cultural change. When people move from one country to another, they bring their cultural practices with them. This leads to multicultural societies where different traditions coexist and interact. Migrants may introduce new foods, languages, festivals, and customs to their new communities. At the same time, they may adopt aspects of the host culture, creating a blend of identities. While multiculturalism can enrich societies and promote diversity, it can also lead to challenges such as cultural misunderstandings or conflicts if differences are not respected and managed properly. Economic globalization also plays a role in shaping culture. The global market influences what people consume, how they dress, and even how they think. Advertising and global brands often promote certain lifestyles that emphasize consumption and modernity. This can change people's aspirations and priorities, sometimes leading them to value material success over traditional cultural practices. However, economic opportunities created by globalization can also empower individuals and communities, allowing them to share their culture with a wider audience. For example, local artisans can sell their products internationally, preserving traditional crafts while benefiting economically. Technology has accelerated the pace of globalization and cultural change. Social media platforms allow people to share ideas and experiences instantly with a global audience. This creates a sense of global community, where individuals can connect across cultural boundaries. At the same time, the rapid spread of information can sometimes lead to misunderstandings or the spread of stereotypes. It is important for individuals to use technology responsibly and critically, recognizing the diversity and complexity of cultures around the world. In conclusion, globalization is a powerful force that shapes cultural change in many ways. It promotes the exchange of ideas, increases awareness of different cultures, and creates opportunities for innovation and growth. At the same time, it can lead to cultural homogenization, the loss of local traditions, and challenges to cultural identity. The relationship between globalization and culture is not simple or one-sided. It involves both positive and negative effects, as well as ongoing adaptation and negotiation. By understanding this process, individuals and societies can find ways to preserve their cultural heritage while embracing the benefits of global connection. In this way, globalization can become a tool for unity and diversity rather than conflict and loss. If you found this explanation helpful and easy to understand, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more sociology content that makes complex ideas simple and engaging for everyone.